Hello dear children, welcome back to your English class. Children, today we will do chapter number 23 of our grammar book. And the name of the chapter is punctuation. Yes, a very easy topic, punctuation. What is punctuation? Punctuation is a set of marks that regulates and clarifies the meanings of sentences. Children, there are some marks like full stop, question marks, commas that are used in writing to separate the parts of sentences and make the meanings clear. कुछ marks हम use करते हैं ना, like full stop, question mark, commas to make the meaning clear, ताकि हमारा meaning clear हो जो हम sentence write कर रहे हैं. These marks are called marks of punctuation. Okay? Children, first of all, we will revise the use of capital letters. Where do we use capital letters? Rule number 1 is a sentence always begins with capital letter. Yes, you know very well. एक sentence write करते हुए हम first letter कैसा write करते हैं? Capital. For example, we are going to Mumbai. Here W is capital. Right, children? Then rule number 2. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Proper nouns means special names like Vrinda, England. Right, children? Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Then the word I. Children, word I is always written as capital letter. Like I am very happy. I is capital. Next, names of the rivers, mountains, roads and buildings begin with capital letters like the Ganga, the Yamuna, Mount Everest, Mall Road, the Taj Mahal. Okay, children? These names begin with capital letters. Next, names of the months and days also begin with capital letters like Sunday, September. Right? Next is titles of books, newspapers and magazines also begin with capital letters like the Times of India. Clear, children? Now full stop and question mark. Children, where do we use full stop? When we say something, we end the sentence with the full stop. जब हम कोई बात बताते हैं, तब हमारा जो sentence है उसके end में हम क्या अप्लाई करते हैं? Full stop. And when we ask something, जब हम कुछ पूछते हैं, we end the sentence with the question mark. Right? You know very well statement and questions. Exercise A. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters, full stops and question marks wherever required. Number 1 is what is your full name? Here W will be capital and at the end we will put a question mark. What is your full name? Because it's a question. Right? Number 2, I just read the book Tom Sawyer. Here I, T and S will be capital and at the end we'll put a full stop. Right, children? Number 3, Kanpur is on the banks of the river Ganga. Kanpur, K will be capital because it's the name of a city. Then Kanpur is on the banks of the river Ganga, G capital, river Ganga and at the end full stop. Okay. Number 4, can we go to Rita's house today? It's a question. Can, C capital, Rita's, R capital and then last में question mark. Children, try to do the rest part of this exercise yourself. Comma. Children, the comma is a short break between parts of a sentence. Let us see where the comma is used. Children, when there are more than 2 items in a list, then we put a comma between them. And the last item is separated from the previous one by and. जब एक लिस्ट में जब एक सेंटेंस में एक लिस्ट दी हुई हो आइटम्स की, तब उन आइटम्स को सेपरेट करने के लिए हम उनके बीच में क्या अप्लाई करते हैं, कोमा। और जो लास्ट आइटम होती है उसको प्रीवियस वन से सेपरेट कैसे किया जाता है, एंड राइट करके। लाइक आई हैव पेन्स, पेंसिल्स, बुक्स, नोटबुक्स, इरेजर्स। सो हियर वी विल राइट आई हैव पेन्स, कोमा पेंसिल्स, कोमा बुक्स, कोमा नोटबुक्स एंड इरेजर्स। राइट, हमने आइटम्स को सेपरेट कैसे किया, उनके बिटवीन कोमा अप्लाई करके, और लास्ट टू आइटम्स को कैसे सेपरेट किया, उनके बिटवीन एंड राइट कर। वी ऑल्सो पुट अ कोमा टू सेपरेट समवन्स नेम, टाइटल और डेजिग्नेशन फ्रॉम द रेस्ट द सेंटेंस। सेंटेंस में अगर कोई नेम है तो उसे सेपरेट करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, कॉमा यूज करते हैं। लाइक कृष्णा ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, हियर आफ्टर कृष्णा विल पुट अ कॉमा, कृष्णा ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, राइट। सिमिलरली प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी सर, हियर प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी, देन कॉमा सर। इन दिस वे we'll separate the name or designation from the rest of the sentence. Okay, children?
Exercise B. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters, full stops, question marks, and commas as required. Number 1. May I come in, sir? Here, M will be capital. May I come in, comma, then sir, then question mark. May I come in, sir? Next is, are we doing anything this Sunday? R A capital. Are we doing anything this Sunday? S capital, then question mark. Right? Have you eaten lunch, Madhu? First of all, have H capital. Have you eaten lunch, comma, Madhu? M will be capital. Comma से हम name को separate करेंगे and at the end we'll put a full stop. Have you eaten lunch, Madhu? Children, in this way you can complete the exercise. Try to do it yourself and after that match your answers with the given answer key. Okay? Exercise C. Correct the punctuation and rewrite these sentences. Number 1. Dear John, hope you are well. It will be Dear D capital, John J capital, and then we'll put a comma. Dear John, hope you are well. And full stop, not question mark. Okay? Next, please bring your pens, pencils, erasers and compass. Please P capital, bring your pens, comma, pencils, comma, eraser and compass. Full stop. Number 3. The Ganges and the Yamuna are two major rivers in India. Here the T capital, Ganges, G capital and the Yamuna, Y capital, are two major rivers in India. Then full stop. Okay? Children, in this way you can complete this exercise.
So children, this was all about the chapter. I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. Now do practice, do the given work. Okay? Bye.